Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm going to present to you the MTH series or the medium duty tiny house series. This series has a tensile strength of 1330 newtons and is our most standard series we have available. First you have this stud, which is a steel zinc plated stud with a slotted head. You can also have this available in a crosshead style, which is also available in nickel plating, chrome plating or stainless steel. This part is an aluminium plated part, which is also a crosshead and is also available in our stock. A different type of stud is this part, which is used to install a flush in your panel. Recently it's also become available in stainless steel. These were all the tool operated studs. We also have hand operated studs. For example, the knurled head, which is available in chrome plating or zinc plating, and also is available in zinc plating with a slot on the top. So you also have a wing head, the folding ring handle, which is available in stainless steel or in aluminium plating, or the folding bell handle, which is available in steel zinc plating. Next up you have also the receptacles, the female counterpart. You have a threaded receptacle, so you can either attach it with a nut or in a blind hole. You also have a flat receptacle, which is used to install a lower stud length with a larger panel thickness. This is another type which is used to side mount on your panel. It's either available with 2 holes or with 4. The 2 holes is a pretty expensive part. This is the standard receptacle, which is a lightweight receptacle. Then you have a narrow die-cast receptacle. The adjustable receptacle, so you can use one stud length for multiple panel thicknesses, or the encapsulated receptacle. Now most receptacles are available in steel zinc plate, zinc die-cast, stainless steel or aluminium. Last part you also need to attach is the rotating washer, which is either fixed here or slotted. I will show you now the receptacle, the stud assembly in action. So as you can see, you need a tool to operate the stud. You can also see here it has the capability to be sealed, so there is no water coming through. The folding bell handle, the plastic head, and then here also a flush installed stud. You can find all the information in our catalog, which you can download on our website. Thank you.